Hello, I'm Jim Criswell. I'll be your instructor for GEL 111, either section IO2 or IO3. So make certain that this is the class that you are scheduled to be in. Okay, a couple things. Make sure you take a look at the syllabus. A lot of important information in there. Also, your first assignment, which has been open today, is the enrollment verification. Make sure you complete that by the census date, which is August 31st. If you do not complete it by the census date, there's a possibility that you will get dropped from the class, and so you don't want to do that. Also, I'll email some reminders out to you. There'll be some announcements in Blackboard urging you to complete it. So this is physical geology. We have a lot of material to cover. Some of the items that we will discuss will be minerals, such as this beautiful piece of fluorite and this really nice piece of pyrite, better known as fool's gold. We will also cover the three types of rocks present on the Earth. Sedimentary rocks formed from particles of pre-existing rock. Igneous rocks, which are formed by the cooling of molten rock, be it lava or magma. And metamorphic rocks, which is simply taking one rock, like this piece of granite, and turning it into another rock, like this beautiful piece of gneiss. Some other things that we'll talk about are topographic maps. We'll talk about volcanoes. I'll have some films on some volcanic eruptions. We'll discuss mountain building. We'll talk about folds and faults. Still blows my mind that you have pressures deep in the earth that are high enough to actually fold solid rock. And one of the other things we'll talk about are fossils. There are two types of fossils. There are invertebrate fossils, which have no backbone, and those are mostly marine fossils. We'll cover them a little bit. And then the vertebrates, which include sharks, so nice megalodon tooth here, mammals. This is a molar of a mastodon. It's kind of cool that you can see how the masticating surface, the chewing surface, has been worn down. So this is a pretty old tooth. It's got a lot of wear and tear on it. And then we will also discuss dinosaurs, favorite topic of mine. So we'll talk about things like this Dilophosaurus and this flying reptile Pteranodon. The first animals that could fly were reptiles. Pretty cool. We'll talk about some other things as well, topo maps, that sort of thing. So one of the things that I urge you throughout this semester is make certain that you stay focused and you complete your assignments. You will have 2 assignments per week, excluding the week of the midterm and the week of the final. So you just have to complete 2 assignments. Some weeks those assignments will cover a lot of material. Other weeks, they probably won't take nearly as long as you would think they would. Okay? So you will have a lab and questions as part of one assignment, and then you'll have the quiz as the other part. So make certain you stay focused, you get those assignments completed, answer every question that you can, don't leave anything blank, and we'll have a lot of fun. I hope you have a wonderful and successful semester.